I'm back. Here's the tortillas. It's about a dozen of them, 12 of them. Okay? Just small, regular tortillas. It doesn't matter if you have brand name or no name brand, whatever you like. Alright? And I'm going to put it over to the microwave. Pardon me, I'm holding the camera so I don't lose it. It's in there. And you put it in for a minute and a half. Now, I'm going to check on the food, which is right here. See, I mixed in, after when they're practically cooked, the peppers and the onions. Now this is not even on a high temperature, see? Not even on high, because it's a good frying pan. Now the chicken is ready. It's right here. I am going to slice those up and cut them up so that if it's just the tortillas, right? And it'll be just good. Lots of leftovers anyway, so if you're one person, one chicken breast would be good with one pepper, onion, kind of thing, or two peppers and two onions. So you have that. Alright, so I'll be there in a second. Hold on a second. I'm going to cut it up. Let's just bear with me because I'm going to try and improvise. Now I did have, oh no, don't worry. Where is that? It was here. And I was going to lie it down so you can see it. Oh heck. You know what? We'll improvise. Here. Oh, that's too high up. What did I use last time? Maybe one. Oh, no, two, maybe three. How about this? No, that's slip and slide. My luck. Alright, hopefully it does not fall. So here you go. There you go. Hey, I got it! You're not going to believe what I got it on, but that's okay. It's a little crooked anyways. So, this is cooking. Nice and easy. And here's the chicken here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, good. Now I am going to turn this off because honestly, I don't have a burner on while I'm trying to cut meat. Now I have to get the knife. 1 second. Here we go. Oh, wait. One more thing. Got a good fork. Can you give me the green container? Okay. Actually, I got a green container. Yay! See? Okay, hold on. Now, see, you can cut your meat any which way you want it. You want it small enough, but not too tiny. Okay? So, just, because it's always good to make sure you know it's cooked. Not like, you do not want raw meat. So, it doesn't even have to be pretty, because when it goes in the wrapper, I mean, one of those tortillas, I'm tongue-tied today. So, I will put this into, okay, here we go. Lots of chicken. So you use whatever you want, as much as you want. And you keep dicing it until you have all the chicken you have diced up. It doesn't have to be pretty, because going in a tortilla and then you're putting peppers and onions on top, and you're going to wrap that up. Right? So, hold on a second. Alright. There we go. Right. Oh, and if you want salsa and sour cream, you can get that and then you can have that with it. If not, you eat it just the way it is. Peppers, onions on a tortilla. I'll do it. Okay, over. 1 second. I check on the tortillas. Flip it over. Okay, just had to flip up the tortillas in the microwave. Yeah, I'm doing this lazy way with microwave. But it doesn't taste that great with this full tortillas. Thank you, honey. No, not you guys, my daughter. It doesn't have to be perfect. As long as the meat's cooked, you're okay. That's all that counts here. Actually, I feel more better if it's over here. Here. Yeah. A little more, because I don't want to drop all that meat. It's a lot of money, too. I mean, have a big family. Every little bit helps. You just kind of cut it up. It has to be really pretty. Taste is the most important thing. Appearances comes in handy too. You know, I mean, if something doesn't look good, no. Yeah, I know I'm yapping up a storm. But, okay, so almost done with the meat. Just waiting for this. There we go. Tortilla. Saved by the bell. So I'm just going to finish this part up here. Put this in the container. See, there's a container of it. You can use glass, plastic, it doesn't matter. As long as it's big enough to hold it. Right? Don't worry, I've dropped a few pieces of meat in the past and I just throw it out. So, there we There you go. Okay, that's ready to serve. Okay, let's see here. Coming over here.
Stop it.
Thank you.